Pressure bust pipe. Some man have to keep a sturdy mind, because me show me nah gonna make it burst mine. Everything at just time. Some me travel with God on my side, and just also fi put the troubles behind. Pressure burst pipe. Some man have to keep a sturdy mind. Me nah gonna make it burst. So me travel with God on my side, and just also fi put the troubles behind. Uptown, no negative energy, me no entertain. My nights afloat and sell like the paper plane. Uptown things change. They use them on go live fi love the fame, cause nobody no want work 9 to 5 again. I just the messed up bigger hits.
Yo, Mr. Me know why you stop me when you have to give me it again in the car. You tell him it up. You tell him it up. You tell him it up.
Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Ooh, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. When I'm alone, I see Jack's face, thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jack's place, but there's no need to worry, cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, it is. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, it is. Looking around, I see a man.
Yeah, massive, you don't know. Big up and respect and welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. Right now, we're currently in the Maypen area. You understand? And today is a video where you don't know where to go walk someplace. And many persons don't see it for a long time, and many persons who never see it yet I go get a chance to see it today. So we're there in the West Palm, West Park area. You don't know, and this road you can walk right here, so from here, so go straight to tread light, you know what I mean? So we're there West Park in a Maypen, Clarendon, and we're gonna walk this stretch all the way to tread light. And as you can see over there, we have the Stuart hardware over there. So we're just gonna capture the vibe and see the people them having a vibe. We're gonna see if we can promote a few businesses. We're gonna see if we can meet and greet some people, hold back a joy, hold back a energy in a Maypen today, you know what I mean? Showing how the people them a live, how the things are going, they don't know vehicle drive, the natural sound, natural ambiances and everything like that. And just check out the entire vibe of what tread light is like, you know what I mean? Yeah, so let's do this. So we're gonna walk from the front of West Park to tread light, and they don't know Manchester Boulevard, the right round. So you see me, I say no joke, no doubt. So let's do it like this, and big up to everybody who just joined, and welcome you all to Jamaica Walk By, to the new people them. You see me, I say one love and respect. It's not all about talking and none of them things that we just walk through, all a vibe, see what the place look like, you know what I mean, show people them the natural vibe of the place and the natural ambiances. We don't narrate or anything. We just walk through to show the people them the exact vibe. You see me, I say? So before further ado, this is how we do it. So we are walk West Park Road in Maypen as we go through. Yeah. Yeah, this is Stuart hardware. And I must say, if you watch thus far and you're not yet like the video, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Please, I'm asking you to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. See it? One more look out at the entrance, and we are gonna make our way up West Park Road. You see me? Yeah. Let's go. So we walk all the way to Treadlight District in Maypen. You know what I mean? There are a few spots around there too where we definitely want to showcase and thing on the platform. You don't know, no joke and thing. So you have Dignitary all inclusive. Yeah, Dignitary all inclusive have a nice spot around here too as well. When we want to showcase that on the platform. You know, you can get your jerk chicken, you can get your all of your alcohol beverages, you don't know, food right through the week. Yeah, like you know your natural Jamaican food them what we know about and used to. You see me? Your rice and peas, fried chicken, turkey neck, all sort of thing. I don't know upon the weekend, we are talk like the Friday and Saturday. You can get your jerk chicken, jerk pork and thing at the jerk restaurant. You see me? Yeah man, nice lookout spot too where you can stay and watch the cricket match and all them thing that's right across from the cricket pitch and thing. So it's a great vibe, you know what I mean? You have another shop before this or two again where you know domino a play. You can get the alcoholic beverages, same speed to watch some football match and have a vibe. You see? So we're gonna see if we can reach them spot there today and make you on a seat on Jamaica walk by. Cause we are natural. You know what I mean? We not take out nothing and we not add in nothing. What you see is what you get here. You see? Yeah. So new people them, this is West Park. Why may I say West Palm every time? West Park Road. Man. Let's go. Watch your approach, you know. Careful, you know. So as me say, you have some people that say me do walk them too fast, so I try my best to go a little bit slower in the walk them, so I can accommodate a few people on the walk them, so they can get to see properly. look to him by faith. Yes, Godfather. He'll victory to be won. Every hour is you. Give me through, Lord Jesus, give me through. I must run. And the victory to be won. Godfather with the driving supermarket. Yeah. Yeah, massive. We're there, Western Park. Western Park. Driving supermarket, man. Wholesale and everything. Clothes and skirt. The man sell from a pink to a anchor. Football, slippers, socks. Balloon. Wait, a foreigner can't come down here. All crocs you have. Dig up yourself, but all is well. What that now? Oh, tablet case. That's a code, man. Love the hostel, you know? Here you have a cell. What you know easy, man? Purple here, white, green. I'll save his body I sell too. How much is that? $100. You have save? You have save already? You have a saving pan?
Yes.
Oh, good. That is it, man. Brother, have a saving pan. You have a saving pan too? Good. That is it. Don't take it easy. Godfather, look over. Alright, take care of my church sister. Oh, manners. Alright. So you don't know. We're head towards the Tread Light district, you know. And we just well, we still kinda there in Western Park, you see me I say? So I walk go around to Tread Light, you know. In a Maypen to everybody who just join. You understand? So them places, you have many people up on the channel where has never seen them place here in Jamaica. And yet you have a lot of persons normally ask me. They should buy. Yeah, Jenna, manners. Yeah. So I just so cool go. Cool now, man. Big man. Good evening. We have Mayor's Avenue over here, so. Manners, manners, manners. So yeah, we now make that video too long. You see me? Try keep that video at least an hour. Tops. Nice farm and thing. Big man. That is it. You know what could have caused this? Why me? Yeah, fire. I mean when I back off. See and carve out of the western part upon the wall. The western part made pen. So which part of my western part massive them there? Make sure so now like the video, you know. For no video this. And please nobody say to me so I should go over this or I should go round this and thing. Oh God. Can't do everything in a one video. See? Big up on my western part massive. I don't know why down there so I keep on I say a west palm. Like me have to catch myself. Ciao. But yeah. Careful, careful. Blows that skirt. Dog I need the machine. But dog I need the machine so. Alright, so I don't know, around a western park we actually reach up to the ball field and now. So I don't know, ball field, yeah, so you know soccer go a kick look more and thing. You know G them play a ball. Nice piece of field right so for youths them in a area play some football and thing. Now I mean even time you go lit so in about a few minutes you're supposed to can see some G I kick on some mad leather. I kick some big soccer, so probably can catch 2 pieces of soccer game. Cause I know say them soon start. And soon start. So yeah man, this is the ball field, man. Man them will love the football game, the soccer. That is it. Nice piece of soccer field. So let me say nice football match I go and look more right. Ah, so see how there you know. So you don't know me telling about that spot here from here walking and say I Vybz corner this. You understand? As you can see, that me know a roll and thing we are all and I enjoy. Alright, so me ask a game now. Who are dead? Jesus peace, man say all away. So you see most of the time in Jamaica then we say man when I'm talking him down, you know. Say and I lead this we say focus now. Yeah. So the teacher over there, so you know what I mean, it's a vibe, it's an energy.
I teacher.
I saw you go, man. Then I my teacher, man. Then I say student then be bigger than the teacher. You can't have a teacher better than the student then. That means he not teach nothing. You understand? I saw you go, man. So we're talking about a spot. You're nice and easy. You don't know exclusive hot spots. So if you don't know if you want all a nice you go, your alcoholic beverage them a right spot for your forward. You understand? Right round us so. Look good now, man. Play 2 domino, man, and drink 2 juice. See all the man them look the back up and ground for days. You understand? Look more them go and clean them back up. See all a nice dolly sit down in chair. So if you know you love look pan ladies, father look on the one I can see how the pan her pedisco go easy back. How you mean? Girl feel nice, not you? Yeah man. You don't answer. Girl feel nice. How you mean, man? Yes, you have one next dolly there in the shop go easy with that general as me say. Yeah, me could go kick a Charlie look up. Right up. Big up yourself. Yes, Godfather, manners and love and respect. See there? Look. No joke, you are appreciated. Please come again. So all of them things, you put money in the machine and you get money out. That's how the machine work. You just forward the money, put in the money and you get out money. You understand? You might not get out back for your money still, but that's how you go. You understand? If you don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance. No joke. High level liquors and thing in here, that is the chap. Big up and respect all the general them. No joke. See spot here. Yeah man, me say last night me there, you know, man. I go easy back. Me no bother take on the domino game because me a man that like take 6 love, you know. And me see say man reach 5, me ready for done. You don't know that. Me don't know if nobody stay like me. That's why me no gamble.
Some great domino player now.
Yeah.
Man see whole of them know.
Just point them out for him. Show me one that woman not to play with. Alright, me not play with Wingy. Who else?
Iceman.
Iceman in cool, so me not need him.
I have German.
German. He know and he don't know.
Yeah, he kind of dumb.
Yeah, me try out for him. Fidel.
Yeah.
He always a win.
Boy, I'm a fit off.
What's the shirt tell you about it?
No, me have a shirt that me say have a team. Me not play him. Yo, you see I got my teacher here, so we are watching game and we are watching game. We try out for them. Because when you see them sit down, all of them when we sit down we are play. That means I take up people. So all them when we turn up, yeah, we get a chance. Cause that means yeah, that's how me did it, man. So I say massive on the seat. This is a vibe spot. So if you know, from my ear, I mean I on the channel and see them place for a long time. You know what I mean? The place up and running and gunning. You don't know anything, it's a vibe, it's an energy. So it's not all about crime and violence in Jamaica. People still there all a good vibe, all a good energy. Cricket pitch over there, so football I go kick look more and thing. And the people them have a nice time, which is great. So I end us and blast a spot here. So make sure say on the follow me a walk from right out of Western Park Road, come right around us. So I know where spot this, so nobody tell me nothing. I say we send the location and I see it. Just play a video and fast forward and you see exactly which I'm forward. Not true? Yeah. That is it, man. Big up to all I teacher them and thing. We are continuing our journey. We so far, you know, remember man them I played in and man them we turn up, you know. Because people take we off, make we turn up, you know. That means we know, so you understand? Yeah, as we reach 5, my God. Big up and respect my teacher. I wanna know a Jamaica walk by. See? That is it, man. Yeah. Oh, you don't have the artist number, me message him from grandma, me not see him reply. Can I post all in video this morning and say,
Yeah, man. I call him, man.
Link him again. Alright then, man. Yeah, man. I'm the artist. My name Della Rhymes. You know what I mean? Big up to Della Rhymes. You see me? I hope to buck him up back in a car. You don't know Della Rhymes a big blouse and skirt artist. Remember me tell you, football field, football game look more and thing. Yeah, full gas or empty pan.
Full.
Skill your skill, you know. Skill your skill. Yeah. Yeah. So it's a vibe and it's great. You see me? Welcome to Cricket Oval. Then call up at a Sir P's Cricket Oval. No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean, man? Nice, they done it. So, yeah. Sound like you're an artist. You know? Papa Is it a tune tomorrow? I want a nice spot this. I want to make you show up on the platform there.
Of course.
Me darling, you're not afraid of camera. You're not afraid of camera. Oh, you me not like my beautiful ladies, them not shine, man. You move some man. No she, I say Dali round there. Yeah man, you can do your thing man, that one they good. Yeah, so massive you don't know where they run a tread light, you know what I mean? See all a nice container bar here. You know me have to showcase this place them. Jesus and peace, me not catch you now, so you ball out so. Me go on man, big up yourself there, yeah? Nah man, it good man. Eh? When you come out?
Yo!
Eh?
Do your thing.
Yeah, man, you know, so we have to broadcast and show. If we don't show people them what go on, they not get no sale, you know what I think? Yeah, man, because I got a superstar ends and my people them this, you know. You tell me about that spot here.
Chill spot.
I chill spot.
Say it.
Yeah, Mrs. said darling even want to showcase herself, you know what I mean? But I saw you go. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright then. That is it. She said she don't like camera. Yeah, run this a Dignitary.
Dignitary.
Yeah. Dignitary all inclusive.
Yes, all inclusive.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Sir P. Oval.
And Sir P. Oval.
Best ball ground, cricket ground in the Clarendon.
Alright, yes, that is it. Yeah. So, right now, you say, I hear a look spot this away in Dance and Blast.
Chill spot.
Yeah. No joke, man. I don't want to catch you, Dali, you know, so I go run, so. I don't catch you, yeah?
Right for camera.
Yeah. So, right in, I say, don't know, whole heap of thing. Cool juice, high level, everything. No joke, no doubt. You see me, I say, look good. Jesus and peace. I'm tell her, say, massive, me say, a girl look good in here, man. I don't know how she high.
She fat.
My friend, she clean, man. Clean, Dali.
She fat.
You see me, I say, you're clean, man. You're afraid of camera, you look so good. Eh, you can't get IG a shout out and do TikTok and them thing there.
She online me well.
Eh? Yeah, she say you look like you do TikTok and things. So you're trying to want to get kids on the camera.
Like that.
So you can't come and so come give them a 360 where you have to catch your face. But them see how good you look. Yeah, so see how the place look here, nice and thing. No joke, nice container bar. Big up to the owner, big up to the boss, big up to everybody who make the party possible and thing. We love it. You know what I mean? Nice little ends and thing. So I hope when time you see it, you can say Jamaica walk by, big up yourself. You see me? No joke, no doubt.
Broadcast.
Yeah, man. So what you say? Nice little vibe. Big up our respect, man. Chilling. You go on a beat to island thing. Yeah, man.
Roma Boom. I craving it.
Yeah, Roma Boom and craving it.
Bag of them.
Jesus.
Bag of them. Take it till you.
Yeah.
Oh, Saflio. Joe Lick shot. Alright. So what Joe?
What Joe this?
Yeah.
She's a big up yourself, family. Yeah, man. No joke, man. Alright, my darling, big up yourself. Where you there? Me not video you. Come in, my darling. Which church you there? Come here, my friend. She gone far. She not hear me.
No, man. So, the fact I'm not the same.
Yeah, she said she don't want to on the camera. She don't love the camera thing today.
No, man. She don't want to load up the thing.
Yeah. Our next spot that over there, so. Yeah.
Tell me your story.
Yeah, man. So
tell me your story.
My story is that I walk and do Jamaica walk by. I walk and showcase the natural vibe in Jamaica, natural liberty. Like how me here just as me, and me here reason. That's how we do it. So I walk from the front of Western Park, come all the way up as up a tread line.
You on TikTok?
Yeah, me have enough things on TikTok. And think, big up yourself, man, heart of love, man, you see me? Me like your energy, man, sit there now, man, elbow bunks, man, which is right. We are go over here, so you know. And thing, man. Me so forward, come, make me and the dolly, all a look of vibe and sit. Don't think, no show. Yeah, man, a dolly, man. Yeah, massive, you don't know music I play, me mute you a little bit. Alright, me I tell you, say the G mute the music, and you know me can't pay them for feature them song in a video. But you see that spot here? That spot here one of the main spots where I walk forward so far, you know. You understand? Right at Dignitary, all inclusive. You understand? I'm tell you about the liquor store, the writers, I'm talk about the mini mart right downstairs. Big up to the owner, big up to the G them. You don't know a thing go. Yo, Shay, big up yourself, no joke, no doubt. You hear that? So right here now, Jamaica walk by massive, be telling us, see, right us up a tread light, me have to endorse and blast a spot here. And me I go show no why me I endorse and blast a spot here, because of the real chill spot down here so too. You see me I say, look good how you see up there so stay. You can eat some food from right up there so, and you can watch a cricket match as it a go on. Like say you pay for VIP settings. You see me I say, so make me show no what go on. So you sit down here so now at the mini mart. You see me I say, so all like people them in that era when you know what go on, they come and get your snacks, your juices, all of them good stuff there, like a supermarket. Me I tell you, no joke, no doubt. You have over here so to deep freeze with all of the meat, them and all them things that to make sure say everything good. So this are the mini mart downstairs and thing. I remember showing you something now, because we are go upstairs, you know, we are go up the executive restaurant. You see me I say? Yeah, and later on, you know, we are going to circle up on the jerkheads, but yo, we're so forward. So you just forward up the step. You see me I say? Yeah, like the superstar you are, and look at this now. You understand? Oh, the dolly's still there. Big up yourself, my friend. You tell me from last time, but I eat and drink. You tell me say no one on the camera, no, so I still not to catch you today. Eh? You afraid of the camera today again? Jesus and peace shall I run. Alright then. So massive, see the nice spot here. So you eat and drink, see them nice, authentic table and thing. TV, listen music, watch your show. Remember, once you forward here, you don't know, you leave and take a picture by the memory board right there. But this is what me I tell you about to look good. Sit down and have a nice juice and I get some nice cool breeze while you watch a cricket match. You don't know, like the VIP settings right there, so you get. Look on the sign. Dignitary, all inclusive. So everything that must all inclusive, man. All inclusive view this, you know. Look good now, man. Look good. You understand? Yes. And see there, whole heap of space. Eat some food right there, so you have your table, then you could check out the bar. Looking at the bar, you know. You understand? Top shelf liquor for everybody. You understand? All of your local beverages, them there. Some foreign type of thing to you, know what I mean? Appleton Estate, we have Tia Mario over there, so look good now, man. Cheese and paste. Juice on top of juice. Oh, that I'm a Grey Goose. Grey Goose. You can get all your cool beverages too. Red Stripe. You see me, I say, hi the kid, everything there. Boom. Turn up them girl. Boom, boom. Easy. We have it in here, nice and clean and beautiful. You see me? Be a dignitary and forward right so. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Shay, big up yourself, my boss. We there. You know what I mean? At the spot. So now you have up here, so we are going to the jerk center. You see me? Yeah. I don't know, so we not sell like, you know, man. So look good now, man. I'm there, you know, man. I think I joke. You think I nobody me send? I not send nobody, man. I'm there, man. You understand? You know where me I go, man. So right, that's what the jerk center. Cheese and peas. So I must say right through the week you can get your food. Your natural Jamaican food. Oh, you run brownie. You know say you live here. You understand? Yeah. So see the menu here. Home style chicken, fried chicken, turkey neck, cow foot, jerk pork, jerk chicken, barbecue. Yo, a barbecue pigtail that. Cheese and peas, and just $1,000 up, you know. You understand? But look at them price here. Look at them I give away food, man. Home style fried chicken at $650, you know. $850, you know. 1,100, you know. Look like a large box that, you know. Then I run the food I run with, man. Look good. So during the week you can get all of them things. But you see Friday and Saturday at them time, yeah. The jerk pork, jerk chicken, and all of them things. Look at me, all I say, crunk provision, steam and raw veg, rice and peas, a crazy thing I go on so. You know, see how I take my time and deal with it? Because right so especially on a Friday, hot spot, you know, place to park your car, so you have to come from early and line up out the road. You don't know which up go, man. Yeah, right now I chew me there early, you know, I'm glad to reach early, you know, because they say early bird get the most early, you know, so you don't know, right, somebody I do a video. Jerk chicken and thing. What we already around there?
Jerk chicken and pigtail.
Cheese, jerk chicken and pigtail. Oh my word. Barbecue. And me tell you, I see it on the side, man. Because like I only spot this and I'm here for barbecue pigtail. Which part is it going to get it? You can't get in no waste, man. You have to follow that dignitary, man. Look good now, man. See that little me I catch her from far still. Nobody running now, because I can't really catch her too good. I just the presence of you will feel. I smile brighty. Yeah, man, and people like you then if have up them, man. If you all like a single man, they run, come try then look every day. Not true? Massive as some stay. So right now, we reach early, so jerk chicken ready and barbecue pigtail. Right round a Dignitary road, a tread light, meal pen. You see me I say, look how the place nice and clean now, man. Look good now, man. Cheese and paste. Building a fresh from the front, you know. You see me? So yeah, I liquor talk, man. You have to talk, man. I keep going, man. You can't control the liquor.
We'll mix and mingle.
Mm-hmm.
And one stick of matches.
One stick of matches.
Fuck you wedge.
So right, you don't know you can sit up all right as a meeting. Yeah?
Dignitary.
Mama, you're a chef. You want a chef?
No, dear.
Yeah. Oh, your pork and thing ready?
No, manager.
Oh, my teacher?
Yeah. No, she manager.
Oh, yes, man. Oh, I remember to show them how I go on. Every day, you know why this a place I clean, though. Cheese and peace. Oh, cheese and peace. Look on them here. Look on them here. Look at them here, you call real elegant. This is not a bird, this is a real chicken.
Alright.
You understand, massive? A real chicken, this is not a bird. Look good. Look man elegant. How much for elegant now, jerk chicken again? $1,000. Lord man, $1,000 pound, it a runway. Nice and thing. So we they run a Dignitary. See all the teacher you buy him thing. Yeah, all inclusive style. Me I tell you, so it's all about Dignitary. And you get your jerk chicken. How much for your slice of bread? The bread free from the house?
Yeah.
Oh, so when you buy, you get a slice of bread?
Yeah, you get the bread.
Cheese and peas. Yes, so me take time tag. You don't have to buy a separate slice of bread. You get a slice of bread. You see me I say? Yeah. And usually most places I sell a slice of bread for $50 open. I don't like me I tell you. You see me I say? Yeah. So right around a Dignitary all inclusive, you buy your chicken and get a slice of bread. You see me? Hey Bobby, come out as we did I like. Come out as we did I like. Cause them have to see it good enough. Put it on the counter, yeah, so. Cheese and peas, me have got tea for plate here. Almighty to the two, man. So G, come out with the barbecue pigtail. Look here, man. Look here, man. Cheese and peas. Ah, now listen, man. Look good, man. Cheese and peas. Yo, massive. Hold on, let me set on the camera. How much for that plate here?
$1,000.
1,000 for that plate here. Alright, how might plate this here? Yeah, man, I might plate this here, man. This can't go to waste. Yeah, man, this can't go to waste, man. Watch about cheese and peas. So watch about, you know, some have a sample up on it. Yeah, they got a little fuck. I mean, probably a little bit dirty from all of them, look. You see me, I say, you understand? So, look good. Cheese and peas.
Yeah, that.
So, oh, me not get Nile, man. They don't sponsor Nile from the house, man. We are drink, man. Nile, man. So massive, so it's all about the barbecue pigtail. Look good. You can see it? Look good. Cheese and peas. Look at barbecue pigtail. Cheese and peas. Share.
That's why you see that one now.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Lord Jesus.
You see by camera. And that clap.
How good is that?
Saucepan.
How do it?
Saucepan.
I want to find him.
Saucepan.
I want to lock him up in a man.
For what?
You feel like that, man? This is dangerous. I don't think I can do the money, man. Jesus Christ. But what about people them? What do you know about barbecue pigtail, eh? Look good now, man. I mean alone, this says if you want your one, you have to follow that Dignitary all inclusive on a tread light. Remember me telling you?
Tread light. Where's the back road? Tread light.
Yo, we pass the step back already, man. Tread light.
Where's the back road?
Yeah, let's step back.
I'm tread road. Tread light.
Yo. Well, tell them tread light road, Western Park. They follow them. Yo, they follow me from the man. The man say me no want no bread with you. What a man like this, man?
You know bread.
When you say no want, me video no more. Jesus bread, man. Yeah, run this slice of bread.
One slice.
Eh?
One slice.
You're not getting none.
We don't want ox. We don't want ox.
No, me no want you bring out this slice of bread like you want to set me up in. I don't want to set you up in.
You can't find tread light. You have to tread the road.
So where's that? A straight Western Park Road with the pants here.
I can't go Clarkston.
Come in, man. We are go, man. We are going to the shovel. Come in, now. You know, say name, tell me your name. Come in, man.
Back of them.
Back of them. Yeah, man. You can't follow them.
Correct?
Yeah, one I two.
You can't get one, come on. Blows and spurs, me teacher. Teacher. Why you out to blows and spurs, man? Oh, God. Hold on. So yeah, we're there Dignitary. Massive we have to try it in a spot here. Barbecue pigtail. Barbecue pigtail, look good. Look how pretty. Soft and juicy, me say all like skin just a slide off my bone. Why?
You have to chat to you.
She make it all a slice of bread, look good. Slice of bread. They mash it up.
White bread.
So you know me, man, now hold it a gravy and thing you have to do. Dip all the bread in the gravy.
Say facts is real.
Jesus fish.
Say man say, me have to buy you something to wash it down.
That's what I'm saying?
Such man say.
What's your family deal with?
Yeah.
Straight family.
Alright bro.
Alright bro.
Okay.
Alright me boss. I love seeing you. You hear that? Are you in Spanish? Are you buy food too?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Where can I fall from?
Oi.
So this stuff I'm saying. Where can I fall from?
Michelle billboard and we can do it again to us Saturday. Jump up crazy again. Like.
So massive.
And we have to reach
So I tell you now.
and we have to reach pot and bread as early Sunday morning.
Big up on yourself. I'm so forward again. I'm going to do that piece of food there. I'm an artist. My artist so forward. Which is Della Rhymes. Remember his name? Della Rhymes. See?
Magnum.
So, I'm so forward. So, I'm going to want much of a food that till him forward. We soon comes in. Remember, Dignitary all inclusive me there. Round a Western Park Road, like I got tread like them.
Roger.
That better?
Roger.
Alright, sir. We soon come.
None yet.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, I just don't eat off my pigtail in a so, no joke. Mama, nobody eye. See her, she upstairs a while ago, you know, clean and nice. And come on, go like, you know, Frida. And she all artist, you know, massive. And she going like, hey, big up yourself, man. Art of love.
Yeah.
You see me? So, massive, me just mash up a pigtail and me I tell her, massive, we don't need for father, so. You understand? Dignitary, all inclusive. Wanna see it. Wanna see how me stay, so I mash you up. No joke, no doubt. So, big up all that massive them from Dignitary, all inclusive. Yeah, so run a Western Park, you know what I mean? You don't know Treadlight Road. You see it? So, me teacher, big up yourself, hear that? One love, my boss, blessings and respect. No joke, no doubt. I might spot this here, no joke. So, listen, the artist forward again, and I tell you, say, I showcase one of my artists down here, so. Him goes by the name Della Rhymes. You understand? Up on Western Park Road. You see me? Treadlight. Got Western Park, Treadlight Road. You see me? See all the man them ready for start kicking soccer. You know what I mean? We there a good look a while and sit on. I saw one nice dolly girl in our bar around this, you know. But she don't want to show her. I said, big up yourself here, my friend. Yeah. Cool. See our ball game ready for start. It's a nice energy. And I tell you, say, Della Rhymes down here, so. So big up Della Rhymes and the whole family. I introduce you to one big artist. You know what I mean? Yeah, see all the soccer game here. So you probably can catch to a soccer game and thing. Mad and bad. Right around a Western Park. Yeah. And how we do it in a Jamaica skin span shot. You see me? Skins no wear shirt until they win. And then they switch round. You see me I say? Yeah man. Ball game, but they must start the ball game so late. Alright, so let's do it like this. So me introduce you to my artist. Della Rhymes. Blows. Where's that game, me art? Alright. Come on, roll two domino to you know. But me show them my artist and thing. You understand? Della Rhymes, blouse and skirt. One Della Rhymes. Figure that. Blessings me teacher. This is me a message or one thing, man. Come in say me want you prepare for it this time, you know, come in want you understand? Yeah. Big up and respect, man. See how the teacher yeah. Heal up again, my boss.
You know,
so
that day is like a regular day now, we dirty, we clean, you know what I mean?
See it, you know, man. So right now we just show them the vibe in a Western Park. I go up on the road to tread light and things, showcase our business, the whole happenings and all of them things. You don't know, say a year ends and things, you see me? So, me afford nice place and things, I have to make sure say you get a feature up on the platform the right way. So, massive, when you see me posting on my Instagram, and I see man I chop it up. So, right now, so we are giving him a nice episode where we can talk to him a little bit and sitting and you know what I mean, find out a more detailed thing about him, like one of them on stage type of interview there, but more raw and natural. You see me I say? No joke. So Della Rhymes, first question me I gonna ask you. And then your area you grew up and thing as a little youth.
Born and raised, man, me pen Clarendon, Shed Light, Western Park, Racetrack, Button Farm, whole light of the way, you know.
See it then,
yes,
man.
Because we born and grow, yes, but you know, say music bring me all throughout the whole of Clarendon till you start venture off in a different parishes, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, so when you start venture off in a different parishes, you know, you're going up start venture off in the islands. And you venture off in the countries and continents after though.
Well
Step
said.
at a time, don't it?
Yeah. So at what age, I don't cut you, but what age you feel like say, yo, a music is my thing?
I know some more than say about, it should be about 2005 this year.
2005.
Big up Miss Hastings, Shed Light Primary, you know, musician, choir and them thing, they found them time, the JCDC festival competition.
Oh, so you've been in a them little thing like from JCDC and all them.
Man, yes.
So that means say you've been a trad panda party from a tender age, man.
Magnum King and Queen and them.
And then you go Magnum, I go talk about that too. So what was your experience for Magnum Kings and Queen?
Well, I know I said it hard though, but it was great. Hard meaning campaigning wise, you know?
Hard.
It was great because it was a good experience. You see it and it gain your fans and popularism as a young artist where I try, you know?
So you know say me that me an artist too.
That's cool, no,
Yeah
man.
man, so
Hold on, man.
yeah man, they see me every day man, I see them know man. So me all in a rising star, you know.
Yeah.
Come forth in a rising star, you know.
What's your name?
Yeah man, me used to sing with the next singer named Moments at the 2 away. You understand? I don't know if you know about a singer now named Revival Boy. I'm a singer set up and all them things, now a Rasta youth, him tough. Revival Boy. But I'm with that Moments. Sugar, brown sugar.
Oh yeah.
You understand? A brown sugar the beat. Who was the only youth left back in that competition and be a girl. I first hear that way girl them win a youth.
True.
You see me as my teacher? Them know about me man, them know. Oh yes! Come here, singer. You understand? A dub plate king them call me G. I be a dub plate me sing.
Man, big up yourself.
You understand? Big up Sanchez every time still, you know what I mean? Cause they see a film sound me use. You understand? I say bro. So me know about it man. Rising Star to me for real, the campaign was a dread part.
True.
You understand? That was the hardest part. In the street every day I walk up and down and I beg and I sing and I sing. Somebody say, hey, you know let me hear your DJ.
So that means I'm not saying nothing wrong.
No man, a real thing. So when I talk, I say, I'm not going to tell you my experience, a real thing I talk. You see me? And the further you go in a competition, the harder I get.
You know, I will tell them.
Because that means the people them are doing the same thing as you and them are doing it wicked too.
Yes, man, I know you have to deal with the road.
Yeah.
Campaigning and the party and them things, you know them things they go, but a part of the journey, you know.
Yeah, and you still have to make sure say your song on point, you know.
Yeah man, that bill of the real world, you see.
Real talk, me G.
Yeah man.
Yeah, so how has it been like from the competition? Like when you come out of a competition now and you say road, how hard that journey they been?
Good man, all heap of ups, all heap of downs. You see it, every musician challenge, you know. Ups and downs and everything, you know what I mean?
A real
yeah
time.
man, so as me tell you, we even have an event tonight. BS at this Mandeville.
Big song.
You see, Bounty Killer and them. You see.
I mean, know say you look like you love the live performance, you know, because I always say that, you know, about anybody you see go far in a Magnum Kings and Queens. And it comes down to performance.
Yes. Man.
And a normal thing, you know, because your performance make you reach the same, you know.
But that we have to use, you know, because the music a change around to a level where people even hardly perform now. They have them TD tracks a backup sing.
Not even TV tracks, they must sing over the audio.
You know.
When we say my teacher, because like I sang a play, and them just then they talk 2 times or 3 times.
Yeah, man. But
Yeah.
if I hear the music from back then I hear perform live, you know, say you're not going to enjoy your music like that. A raw performance me deal with. Me can't bother with no ping pong music like, you know.
See there.
So even if I have bands, BSC, Gitsy, that even more better for me, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Give me a 7, give me a 1 drop, more better for me. Me give you all 50 album.
Same time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I saw me sing to you, you know, sometime I go sing them, man, and then me say run a rhythm of a taxi rhythm or Far East or M16. Me sing from now till a morning.
Yes. Yeah,
I mean, normally a setup singer, you know.
Yeah.
So we sing a setup, you know, a setup thing, you start sing 9 o'clock till 4 o'clock, you know.
So then we have one setup singer, Phyllis!
Till 4 o'clock. Yeah.
Phyllis out there, so
Yeah.
setup singer, you know. Show it to me.
When there? I wish one of them. Yeah, oh, that then call him. I'm a big domino player out there, them say, man.
Yes,
Yeah, me now play with him.
Singer.
Yeah, so me I sing out from 9 o'clock and see him sing at you too. Now one time I go to boom, me sing him I play drum, and when he goes to boom and tired, we switch me dip on the drum, and him dip on the mic, I go and do it. That's how we do it, I set up, you know. Yeah, bro, but me actually take a different journey after that because me take music professional.
Yeah.
And me start the whole heap of recording.
Before we're gonna further to my Telegram community one more time again.
Yeah,
Check
man.
like this, you know. Oh, you know, a great toots and the Maytons. Right, Uncle? Right, Uncle?
Yeah, man, right.
Toots and the Maytons, not just toots alone, right?
Yeah, Toots and the Maytons.
See? Yeah, you understand? Originate from. See? So, you know, whole heap of heritage in our community when it comes to music. The Morgan Heritage family used to live right in the lane, the right there, so.
But you know, so them never highlight that because I didn't know that. Then the father, for you say father, make his son them, you know.
One more
Say
thing.
Root,
Leonard Bartley.
Merciless.
Merciless, just a branch out in our music. Yes, sir.
Cheese
Merciless
and
just
peace.
left country. Yes, the Merciless come in our western part.
Western part.
And we miss one of our great star the other day named Assailant.
Assailant, yeah man, me Assailant a virgin from back in the days, man.
Alliance artist.
Even Merciless, I'm a general to you know, I'm
Yes.
Merciless a friend, you know, man.
So what I try to show you is a musical community. Only artists there will never get to go up on the forefront same way, but big them upset, you
Same
know.
speed.
Yeah, man, I can tell you some of them names, man. You have Big Kid, you have Jungle Cat, Legend, them, I tell you what the man them will come see and do it, you know.
Yeah.
You see, Assailant them same way. Well,
I'm a Assailant to be like one of the, you know, the younger generation artists. Them,
out there, you know,
yeah. Yeah, when me, right, same time the Assailant then and me up and do them thing, them time there, me I tell her like, man like that, me don't even know Vilmark at the time, from all over.
Yeah.
I'm seeing one come name Casino, you know.
Yes, man.
I used to come now as Maxi Billant, you know. I first artist we see in Jamaica, boss so much time and so much name, you know. Cause him boss as Vilmark back in the days, you know.
Yeah.
So them time me and them man there back in the days I got boot camp, computer part studio.
Yeah.
I sing I sing a tune when I say all I wanna do is prove I love you. Him bust them the time there, you know. And then he jump off and he come back as Maxi Billant. And then he say, I'ma do this. And then me and him remix it. Because me change my name to and start DJ to and me and him remix it and the song bust.
Yeah.
You see me? And then he goes to boom me one jump off again. And change out and come back and say, Casino. Yes, sir. I say, baby, come over. You see me? I say, yeah, we have to give them credit. So, enough artists never get the chance to do it. I remember, me I talk low. In jump off, I see it again from Casino. Don't be surprised to see it.
Different name again.
Different name, different somebody, you know. Yeah. So, man, you don't know Della Rhymes. So, right now, we're there with Della Rhymes in the community at Western Park, you know what I mean? Good vibe, good energy. But since we're there, you know, say Della Rhymes have to touch it. You hear what I like you started with that tune that we dropped last night, cause me that tell the life, and you do that one the last night, I'm posting every minute me have your wheel and come and say, yo man, toughy man. So, yeah, anytime you're ready, you know.
I don't know from you see the face and hear the voice. It's no other than Della, Clarendon Jenna. Come on now, ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see me pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Why the girl them love me swagger me in the south. Come on and muffin no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see we pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Why the girl them love me swagger me in the south. Even though me young Della perform like I ain't never veteran, the bricks not overload them sick. Go get a set of money, expect a time like a filana, bust no corner. Papa him think a yellow man upon the stage, a leg up Papa Santo out the massive. Kick up for your blank and go long is like a Josie wheel me name. I'm a damn professional and if me turn Sanchez try go protect a girl, she like me style but shot just like a new barretta when the jam real. General officially full of pattern come fi kidnap the street. Don't care of who one. Gruesome some new come. Artists them too dumb run go hype and get spit out. Too like chingum big. Me come from Clarendon and Becky Street until December come. From January I know a hype over style and pattern. Jamaica I really remember none because them long for see ya. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see me pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Why the girl them love me swagger me in the south come and a muffin. Way, ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see we pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Why the girl them love me swagger in the south. Cause me taking over. Me style no ordinary. Me a pen me de. Find it all gone pan the February. Junglist girl them a ring off me telly. Got boom pack a cup boy ring pan belly. Ten of them a say if me a least scratch Perry. Me say no brigadier me no be that Jerry but water walk through pumpkin fine. If you want a bamboo you will feel that belly man and ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Can't see me pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. Why the girl them love me swagger me in the south come and a muffin no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see we pants and touch it no. Ragamuffin, real ragamuffin. No boy, can't see we pants and because we rock this already and we gonna do it again.
Yeah!
You know?
Della Rhymes! Bad artist! Yo, massive! No matter how me there, I just want to listen. They have a fling to me retired, you know what I mean? Yeah, some lyrical shots of a fire. You see me, I say, Della Rhymes.
Yeah, man, I know what I mean. Why pick up walking TV, you know, because walking TV make it possible. You pick up Uncle Warlord, this, you know, original. Biggest domino player in the hemisphere.
Nah, play with him.
Nah, play with him. You understand? And this is Elder Castro. Great domino player.
If you see man on that shirt, man.
Yeah, man. This is Fidel Mix. Big selector. You understand?
Big selector.
Tear down your whole of Manchester, St. Elizabeth. They're going to tear down your whole of Portland, St. Thomas. You understand? They're going to teach you how to DJ for a vinyl days. You know what I mean? Vinyl, my God.
Yeah, say about vinyl. You don't even that look like you're that old, brother. You jump out there 20s.
Vinyl days, man.
Come on, man. Don't make your world know that, man.
That's why it's so bad, man.
You see?
We have been funny rhythm, then real authentic rhythm, and it's small.
And it's small.
That's why I'm so hard.
Man.
You know, say man a flow, brother.
Yeah, man. You know,
Cheese and peas. All the while you know, bang, 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 that's all, you know. I chew your talk when I say, yo, you will just spit it straight in the morning. All I need is a rhythm and roll. Yeah, bro. So right now, as massive, I tell you, Della Rhymes, Western Park, no joke, no doubt. It's all love, it's all respect. You know what I mean? And because forward, I'm gonna feature the new sensation here out of Western Park and thing. You see me I say? Yeah. Where's another artist?
Artist.
Fire. You know what I mean? So no.
Good man.
So from me there, but I feature the sensation here. You see me I say?
Man, yes, man, I know. Holy but
Della Rhymes. So
watch, you know, by the fact too. I want to make people them know say we have some holy new work. We just jump out.
Just did I go talk to you about that?
Like yesterday, the day before yesterday and the day before that. You know, some of the time we have to drop some money and keep the fans them active, right?
True.
Yes, man, and you know, say video them pending. You know, Della Rhymes Vivo, Della Rhymes Spotify, Della Rhymes iTunes, Della Rhymes everything. Right, they say thing them and I see it, DLM Records, you know? Yeah man, my label that. I don't know, big artists now building different again, you know, this is job boy.
Mad and bad respect and manners, my general. Blessings and respect. Interview time, boy. You be are you yard there now? We found it there yard, you know.
We're living here.
Yeah. Jamaica walk by, yeah.
Oh, Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. Big up and respect. You don't know we are going to do some feature in the Western Park area. So for your artists, we are going to be a part of the show here because you don't know very important feature we have by Della Rhymes and thing. So from Della Rhymes say, yo, see your artist there pass to the place and them thing.
Never wrong, man. Never wrong.
What the man name again?
Jabenison.
Jabenison.
Yeah, man.
Big up and respect, man. Look like a long time you do music too, you know.
You know if you ask that. We cannot do it just for the year. We have to do it long time for know as much as it.
We have them
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
you know?
Yeah.
Bad name, you know, them powerful name.
That is
The
it,
name I
man.
come from far still because there is a name Jabari, but don't know, you have to just grow with life, you see it?
Figure that.
I ring out the all and bring in it.
New. So singer, sing J, DJ.
You know, I do a lot of everything with you now.
Oh, yeah, go give you a piece, then I can beg your piece. Because you know, if fans them say, yo, I'm talking, I could hear him now, man.
That's true.
Yeah, so if you can do that, my man, I don't know how you stay today. I can remember an artist, a human being, you know, you probably can't down to the flow, you can be anything. So if you can do it, then just make me know so you can drop it. You see
You
me?
ready?
Yes, man.
You see the road that with the pan, yeah. Never stop for a second yet. In this life, me a pray and me reckon say he never back here my weapon yet. Jammy ever you fi defend me. Never trust people, trust the process. Never bow down to no flesh. Watch your friend who sit the closest. Enemy want me die a slow death. Still the most I protect. You know how far we a come from, and you know we have far to go. But I can make it through life without you, no. Just how far we are come from. That's a snippet. Yeah, man.
Blessings and respect my vocal stuff, my teacher. So all them can find it right now on our social media.
Oh, the Jabenison on every social media network, you know.
Oh, you spell it?
JHBNIZON.
That is
You
it.
see me?
All social media.
All social media platform.
And the new song that?
You know me, I always have new song. You just think I'm a bill passport a while ago.
What this?
Yeah, man.
Let me move the camera. And go on, man. Yo,
Full of talent.
what you say?
Bill passport. That's all.
You just do that one a while ago.
Me I tell you.
Fast and quick.
Fast and quick.
Hail. Mad love and respect. Hear that? Jabenison.
Yeah, man.
Figure that a Jamaica walk by and thing. You see me blessing for grace the stage right us upon Jamaica walk by and show like massive them right across the world. Walk go on in a Western Park and it just a vibe. Whole heap of artists and say whole heap of greats. Forward from Tread Light. Is it?
Forward from run yourself. So you don't know anything go. But they are going to hold it. Is it?
Figure that.
And go and make good
Blessings,
music.
man. That is it. Respect again. Seal it.
You see me?
Mad respect, bro.
I know
Yeah.
we do a little everything now. We build beat, we do engineer and everything. Yeah. So we're multi-purpose, multi-talented.
So people can actually just contact you if they want a beat and all them thing then.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I work by myself.
For your yeah.
So people don't feel how we are real, don't feel how we are. I work by me first because we have to put me first. You see?
They say it by the plane, man. You have to save yourself.
I have to save myself first, but they don't have to put me first. So bless up Jamaica walk on.
Walk by.
Jamaica walk by. You don't know, you know.
Respect
Bless up
the
yourself,
teacher.
man, and respect for the moment. You see it?
Respect, man.
Yeah,
As
man.
hard as it.
Right now, I can't hide again. Because I hide.
Nah, man, that bona.
Can't hide again. I hide.
What is that selector?
Yeah,
Nah, man. But you turn back, go home, you know, because everybody know what I'm going on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You have to just start to work music and
Can't hide again. Yeah. So, big up again, famo.
Bad up yourself.
Yeah.
Everything.
Take your time more if you show back your artist because we couldn't get him with us. So the teacher said, yes, but we have to find him bad and thing.
man.
And the energy was right. You see me? The place nice, the place cool and sweet. So you know so we're gonna close it right so. Yeah. You don't know big up Della Rhymes, you don't know big up all like massive. What the name for writers again? When call it spot? Huh? My boss! Exclusive hotspot. Yes. So right as you don't know my little ends is right at exclusive hotspot. You don't know beat some domino and all of them little thing there. It's a great vibe, you know. Ball game, soccer, kick across the road and thing. So I'm gonna make it artist close the right as for me. You don't know how much time I call him name. Della Rhymes. Keep it in on a brain and remember it. Della Rhymes.
You understand all I say? More peace, more love, you see it? And we are big people, them just run go over there, something there, over the Vivo, over the Spotify, something there. Yeah, man, and punch up the thing, them and listen up. And just leave your comment and make we know what is what you know. Pressure bust pipe, some man have to keep a sturdy mind because me show me not gonna make it burst mine. Everything at just time. So me travel with God on my side and just also if we put the troubles behind. Pressure burst pipe, some man have to keep a sturdy mind. Me not gonna make it burst. So me travel with God on my side and just also if we put the troubles behind. Uptown, no negative energy, me no entertain. My nights afloat and sell we like the paper plane. Uptown things change. The use them on go live, you love the fame, cause nobody no want work 9 to 5 again. I just messed up bigger hits.
Yo, Mr. Me don't want you stop me when you have to give me it again in the car. You tell him it up. You tell him it up. You tell him it up. Me don't tell him it up, you know, so you have to give me it again.
So man have to keep a sturdy mind because me show me not gonna make it burst mine. Everything at just time. So me travel with God on my side and just also if we put the troubles behind. Pressure burst pipe. So man have to keep a sturdy mind. We not gonna make it burst mine. Everything at just time. So me travel with God on my side and just also if we put the troubles behind. Life we live in a fancy regular we see often. For no have a friend for we girl have a pin a panty. So we beg the Lord strength lend me little light day. Now they get us similar to well we in a darkness. A nice black in a this space where me heart race. Paranoid so the peace me no walk left the smartest. Soldier get the fight the hardest. Regardless the land no strength. So pressure bust pipe. So man have to keep a sturdy mind because me sure me not gonna make it burst mine. Everything at just time. So me travel with God on my side and that's how I say
Jeez, I'm best, man. It is.
Yes,
We have a thing named Whisper we come from, you know, a Western Park with it.
Yes, man.
So if many people don't know say Whisper we come from. Yeah, so.
Yes,
You know ready?
Yes,
That
man.
is it.
Whisper we come from. We never born in a rich farm. A place for dark up like dungeon. Back a thought for you, still we know alarm. So don't judge we. World, don't judge we. Don't judge we. Don't judge we. If you don't know me, don't judge me. Me a come from roast dumpling and butter days. Life hard did teach me tougher way. Sit down and not beg me a puff for grades. Fight the fight, rough and tough and brave. Work hard, forget a pay. Don't know the system set away. Enough you try hard, forget away. Only thing them get is just a grave. Whisper we come from. We never born in a rich farm. A place for dark up like dungeon. Back to what we use till we know alarm. So don't judge we. Don't judge we. If you don't know we. Don't judge we. Don't judge we. Yeah, that I said. Don't judge. Just show some love, bad Viva.
Bad,
I know that thing out there, no, no support the my thing not out there because I'm just a start. New name, new music.
Years, man. Years,
That
man.
bad.
Years, man.
So, you don't know. Yo, that song there a while ago, Touch Me. We love them two last song too, you know. Yo, now you have me, I forgot jump in there for me, I drive, go over, and find out what. What the name for that song we just do a while ago?
Time.
Time.
Yeah, time. YouTube, time.
Yeah, and it released already?
Release.
Alright, so
Video.
you know some have to jump in the van and go and beat that one, they go home.
Video and everything, you know what I mean?
Jesus, time.
I see the video? Alright, that's how we kick out the video to you know, the community. And they
That
look like
is
a
it.
foreign with it. So
Cheese and
put the
peas.
time in our effort together, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Believe no man. Pressure bust pipe, so man have to keep a sturdy mind because me sure me not gonna make it burst mine. Everything I just time. Yes man.
So all massive, that is it man. Yes. Della Rhymes, all massive run a tread light, you know. All I tread light massive, but they are foreign right now when I see place here a long time. It's great having you guys watching the video. It's a nice blessing and thing. And yeah, cause like me foreign now home away from home run at the ends and me just love the vibe and thing. You see me, no joke, no doubt. So, I close the writer, so big up to Della Rhymes again. I'm an artist over here, so again, tell him one time for the name again. Jab Benison. That is it, man. And we select a J.
Man, you know Fidel Mix, man.
Fidel Mix.
I understand, you know I think of the bookings. You know you can knock up Jamaica walk by. Don't forget the party, because we do parties. Stage shows, you understand, events, you understand? Even gospel events. If you love Lord Jesus, say amen.
Amen. Yeah. Boom. Western part, big up all Jamaica walk by massive, but it's a vibe, it's an energy. One love to everybody. And we do it like this. Mad thing outside.